Now here's the back of the building. Okay, it's like an old Quonset hut, but this is something similar to the building that I'm going to be building. And they just closed down their shop. So nice. Here's a view of it from the front side, or the one side here. It doesn't have the hip roof like the one I'm doing, and it's not wood, but it's like a stucco. But still the same thing. They're all over the place. I got the Sculptamold out a little bit and did some terrain here and there in different spots, like right here, in between the tracks there and tracks there, behind that one loading dock, and I filled in the little gap right there by crown crate, and this right here I weathered this and put the signage on everything right there. This is going to go over here like that, and that is going to go, you can see I dug a thing in there for one of the pillars. Okay, and the other thing that I did today was I mounted my rack up here for my paints and other stuff, and it just so happened that two of those little bins fit right underneath there. I had to put the wire from the extension, my extension strip, up a little bit higher so I could put that all the way up on the L girder. So that fits nicely up here. I've got two screws in there just to hold it in place, but it's this is snug right there. So that worked out good. I had to put that one set of drawers over there and the other one right here, put a couple more bins over there, and put these over here, and I got some of my tools in the bottom. I got some connectors and stuff right here, and some Arduino stuff, electronic stuff right there. So we're getting there. And some paint brushes and some new paint brushes up there. Okay, so everything's working out pretty good right here. So now I got a clean slate to start on the next project, which is the Baker's Country Store. So it's about 10:30 at night. I'm gonna relax for a little bit, watch some videos, and then head to bed because I have to wait for the Sculptamold to dry, and then I'm going to be using this paint right here. I have a little bit left. This did me well because I used this in Naples on a lot of the ground cover as a base. What's the name of it here? Pine green. So that's it. So I've used that everywhere. So good deal. Now, well, I moved this monitor out of the way because I had it over here. But this is a very old, it's a really old Dell monitor. It's I had it, I think, with my XP computer. It's the first HDMI monitor I think I got. It's got an HDMI and a VGA plug on the bottom of it, yeah. There, and HDMI right there. So this is really old, and it's kind of wore out, so I only use that for on occasion, but it's a little bit bigger than the monitor. That's a 17-inch laptop right there, but that's a 21-inch monitor, but it's just faded out, so it doesn't do me any good. So I'll have to think about something else when I'm using a laptop. But I gotta clear things off up on top up there. I picked up two of these racks. They're wooden and they look like they're DVD racks. They were marked $10 a piece, and they were sitting up here for about 3 weeks. And I offered them $10 for the two of them, and they took it. So I'm taking the back off of it. You can see right there, it's got the long staples in it. I just have to pull out a couple of more staples from here. Right there. And the reason I had to do that is because this thing is slotted. But I'm going to put my paint in there. And let me show you how. I got everything like that. But I'm going to set it like that. But I'm going to take every other one of these slots out, so I could put my paint in here like that. So I'll be able to put like 3 in there. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30, 60. I'll be able to put a lot of paint in there in this area right here. And probably some of my glues and stuff up on top of it. So that'll fit nicely right in this space right here, hopefully. If it doesn't, I'll have to move these out of the way because I have this. I can't move that right there. So not a bad price. Almost finished with it. Got to pull 3 more staples out, remove the slats, and then put the back on, nail it back on.